Well, today's video was meant to be a review of the new SkyZone Sky 03 OLED FPV goggles, but it is raining. However, I hear that my friend Phil has added FPV to one of those micro bikes that we have been playing around with. So I think today I'm going to be checking that out. So this is my micro bike, but Phil's is looking a little bit different. So if you want to talk through what you've done to yours, Phil.
Well, I stuck a camera VTX on it because I thought that would be great fun. But the rider gets in the way. So in fact, to remove the rider, I did find he was actually impaled upon the bike in a very uncomfortable way. So that came off straight away.
Is that why all people who ride motorbikes don't need a seatbelt? Is that how they are connected, do you think?
Don't ask me, I don't know.
You're not sure? You don't ride motorbikes?
No.
So we've got this camera up the front here, and that is connected directly to the battery of the bike, is that correct?
Yeah, sure. I took the bike apart. It's basically a frame with everything else on it, swinging arm, front forks, and the two outer shells come apart. There's 4 screws, take it apart, windshield comes off. On this side you've got a control board, circuit board with all the gubbins on, and on this side, which is the opposite side of where the battery plugs in, you've got the socket. You've got the positive negative terminals, so just run the wire from the VTX straight down the side of the circuit board onto the positive negative. Got a little slot here for the wires, a little bit of a place you can position the camera for the right kind of view. Put it back together, and for longer run times, it will run on the original little battery, which is a 120 milliamp hour. But I've fitted a slightly larger capacity battery, which will sit on top where the rider was, to give roughly 12-15 minutes or so.
Awesome.
Motorbiking, 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 motorcycling, moving on the Queen's Highway, looking like a streak of lightning. If you gotta go motorbike riding. Listen to me and I'll tell you no lie. Too fast to live, too young to die. I bought a new machine today and say it take your breath away. Motorbiking, 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 motorcycling, moving on the Queen's Highway, looking like a streak of lightning. Baby, won't you come with